In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Notion using the PARA method. PARA stands for Projects, Areas, Resources, and Archive. It's a simple framework that helps you separate what you're actively working on from what you're maintaining, learning, or storing for later. By the end, you'll have a clean dashboard that keeps everything in one place and easy to find. First, create a new workspace page. In the left sidebar, click the plus sign labeled New Page. Give it a clear name like Para Dashboard, so you always know where your main hub lives. Keeping a single entry point reduces friction and helps you stay consistent over time. Next, add 4 sections to structure the page. Type /heading 1 and create headings for Projects, Areas, Resources, and Archive. Projects are short-term efforts with an end date, like launching a campaign or writing an article. Areas are ongoing responsibilities you maintain, such as finance, health, or marketing. Resources hold useful reference material, notes, articles, templates, research. Archive is where finished or inactive items go so you can keep the active parts of your system focused. Under each heading, turn the section into a database. Click beneath a heading and type /table, inline. This creates a small table right in the page, which is perfect for keeping everything visible without jumping around. Repeat that for all 4 sections, so each category has its own table living under its heading. Now, rename the columns so your data is consistent and easy to scan. Use simple fields like name, description, status, tags, and notes. Name captures the title. Description gives quick context. Status helps you track progress, like to do, in progress, or complete. Tags let you group items by topic or priority. Notes is a place for links, ideas, or next steps. Keeping the same structure across all 4 tables makes everything predictable. Add your first items so the system has content to work with. In projects, you might add something like website refresh with a brief description and a status. In areas, add ongoing responsibilities such as personal finance or content calendar. In resources, drop in references, guides, or tools you return to often. Even a few entries will make navigation smoother. Finally, create quick links for fast access. At the top of the page, type / and choose Link to View, then link each database so you have shortcuts right at the top. Rename each link clearly, and your dashboard becomes a command center you can navigate in seconds. And that's it. Your Para dashboard is ready to go. Keep it updated, and you'll always know what needs attention and where everything lives.